Hello everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you clearly how can you order from Shein. So open your Shein on your website first or not. If you use on your phone, you can directly go to your application. Okay, so you can change your language and you can change your currency from here. So for me, I put Thai as my currency. Okay. If you haven't opened your Shein account, you can open from this profile icon and then you can um sign up your account here. I already signed up. So Shein offer a larger category, like women clothing or men clothing. So they also offer jewelries and accessories and other household products. So you can buy whatever you want in Shein. Okay, so I will show you step by step how to order. First, click a product that you want to purchase. I'm just click this one. Okay, so tap the image. Okay, after that, what you can do is you can choose colors and size here, even though you buy clothes or other kinds of thing, you can choose colors and size over your order. So here, I'm gonna choose this one, pink one. Or not, if you want this one, just choose. Okay, and also we can choose how much we want, 5 piece or 10 piece. I just choose 5 piece. And then if you want to change quantity, if you want to, you can click here. If you want 2 or 3, whatever you like, I just click one. Okay, you can award your estimate delivery here. They offer free shipping for most of the item on Shein, and also they offer cash on delivery policy, so you don't need to worry about scamming or fake product. It's really convenient for us. And then you need to also read the 10 item in this category cannot be returned or exchanged. If you choose this one, they will exactly offer you the same. And also, you can check shipping here. Shein offer two shipping type. The first one is standard and express shipping. So standard is a little longer than express shipping. It usually takes 6 to 8 business days. For express shipping, it only takes 5 to 7 days. It depends on your location and it's based on your merchant. So if you want to buy this one, just click add to cart and here, view your cards. Okay. After that, if you're sure you will order this one, and then click checkout here. Okay, so here you need to add your shipping address clearly, and then check your order details here. And as I told you before, you can choose express or standard. Here I'm gonna choose standard shipping. If you want on-time delivery, you need to pay extra 15 baht here. Okay, so these are the payment options available on Shein. If you want to cash on delivery, it's okay. Or not, if you live in Thailand, you can also pay by Thai banking system, online banking. Or not, if you want to pay by prompt pay, you can pay from here. Or not, if you are from international, you can also use your credit card or debit card and also use your PayPal. One convenient thing is too many also Germany can also use Inching, so it's really convenient. Okay, so I just choose cash on deliveries, and if you have your coupons or gift card, you can link to your you can apply here. But for me, it's nothing, so I just continued my order and it's successfully ordered on Shein. So this is how to order on Shein. Thank you so much, guys. See you in another video.